What do you want to hit out of it? New York. So some Yankees or Mets? Ah, this is a heavy product. Oh, there's the one that didn't want to come out. So Eddie, which one would you like?
He wants you to get one for him.
Well, I'm always superstitious, so the one that doesn't want to come out of the case is the one we'll try.
All right, let's go with that one.
Numbers are 590, 595, 79. This is a case we got directly from Topps, so since they're from New York, maybe they'll have chosen you a good box. We'll save the bonus pack for last.
Good luck, man.
Good luck on the box. Eddie, how much would you like to see? Do you want to see every card or just the hits? Can you get me some regular soft sleeves?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good way. Trey Turner rookie card to start off with. Stanton, Frazier, Gonzalez, Gomez, Maz for an old-time guy. Well, he was a big star in New York, but he's in a Raiders uniform. Molina and Ozuna. Yeah, go ahead.
Hello?
There's a Strasburg mini.
It's just information about your card.
Andrew Jones walk-off winners. Probably his famous hit from the World Series. Yep. Altuve and Osuna. All right, I'll speed up then. Here's a Power Alley of Eddie Murray. Purple Andrew Gordon. Number 209 out of 250. Oops, let's keep those separate. We busted some of this, but forgive me, I don't remember. I think they're supposed to be regular short prints every box, but I don't remember where they were located. A Cabrera Mini. Mookie Betts Glove Stories. Willie Mays Power Alley. Jose Bautista, it's like a gold mini.
Whoa.
Number 19 of 50. I'm hoping for you, being from New York, a couple years ago I had a Jeter button card out of this. So maybe we can hit something just as good. The Smiley Mini.
Is it
Mookie
Betts.
Betts.
Just us? Because we can pause it and resume it.
Should we pause it or are we good?
It's being a little choppy.
At a bet's 9 out of 50.
Yeah, wait. We're gonna wait for a second. I'm gonna pause it. 3. All right, and we're back.
All right, sorry about that. I don't know what happened on our end, or it's crazy because we're in Chattanooga, Tennessee. They call it Gig City. We're supposed to have and we do have the fastest high-speed internet supposedly in the U.S. So, oh, we have flip cards. I don't know what that means, other than the machine probably flipped them. Donaldson Mini, walk-off winners, Flores. Bird rookie, Soler. Schmaltz. Oh, you got a Trout Brown Mini. Not numbered. The Severino rookie.
You can rip through the rest of the packs. Oh, there we go. There's your auto.
Max Kepler of the Twins. Yeah, you should get 2 autos and 2 relic cards in the box. Okay, I'll speed it up. Eddie, we've been trying to sell stuff out of our store for a while, and I think you're the first person that's actually bought an individual box break, so we're going to send you something special. What, do you have a favorite player, team, anything like that? Or I could send you a couple packs of the Panini product from the National Convention this last summer. Andre Dawson, Hamilton Purple, number 166 out of 250. Oh, there's a good one. Sager rookie card mini. Where to put that in a Power Alley Canseco. A Josh Donaldson purple framed 147 out of 250. Shadow and Kepler. Schaefer rookie card mini. Glove Stories Burns. Rosario mini. Boggs. Frank Thomas Brown mini. Sano rookie card mini. Hey, you've hit all the good rookies on the minis at least. There's a Rendon framed number 80 out of 99. There we go with the Power Alley of Jeff Bagwell. Should be 2 hits left. Pujols mini. Walk-off winners with Vizquel. Too bad that wasn't a rare Vizquel card. Ken Griffey Jr. Power Alley. Anthony Gonzalez Gypsy Queen. Oh, that one maybe. Yeah, number 192 out of 250. Dickerson Mini. And Mark McGwire Cardinals. Mark McGwire in the Cardinals jersey. Gypsy Queen memorabilia card. Colton Wong Mini. A Marte walk-off winners. Cal Ripken Jr. Mini. Should get one more auto. Zach Britton Mini. AJ Pollock top certified auto. And here's the mini pack for the mini variations. Josh Donaldson, Turner, rookie mini variation, Familia, Wainwright, Odor, Archer, Keuchel, Machado, Lester. Hey, we ended with a Yankee. Sanchez, rookie mini. Well, thanks a lot, Eddie. We sure appreciate it. And we'll get these out to you today. And if you want more boxes, just let us know.